Stunning and beautiful wreath design. In this tutorial we create something simple, beautiful and eco-friendly jute wall hanging wreath that will bring a warm rustic charm to your home this festive season. If you have love homemade decoration and want to make your space move mindful and meaningful this Christmas, stay tuned till the end. We will share some tips on how this craft can also bring peace and creativity into your holidays. Let's start by gathering all the material we will need for this DIY jute wreath. You will need a round base. You can use an old cardboard ring, a wire loop. You want to recycle a broken embroidery frame, jute rope or twine, the main star of today craft, hot glue gun or strong adhesive scissors, some pine cones, small ornaments, bells, dried flowers, or even artificial leaves for decoration, and of course, a touch of creativity of patience. Remember, you can customize these with whatever material you already have at home. That's the beauty of recycling and sustainable creating. Start by using wreath base and making sure it's clean and smooth. If you are using cardboard, cut a circular ring with a wide enough border, not too thin so it can be hold the decoration easily. You can wrap the base with a thin layer of jute twins to give it strength and move natural look. The base will more from the heart of your wall hanging. Now comes the most relaxing part, wrapping the jute rope around the base. Apply a small amount of glue on one end. Start winding the rope slowly around the ring. Take your time. This is not race. Feel the texture of the rope. Enjoy the movement of your hands. Mindful crafting like this helps you slow down, reduce stress, and feel connected to the moment. Many of crafting ideas I already share at my channel, so you can visit also. If you are new, so please must subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos and crafting design. Now let's bring the Christmas spirit alive. Take some pine cones and arrange them along one side of the wreath. You can glue up few together in cluster to create a fuller festive look. Add small ornaments, maybe a red ribbon bow, same silver bells or dried flower for that earthy charm and traditional look. You can also use cement sticks or small wooden star. They not only look beautiful but give a lovely natural fragrance. Remember, less is more. Keep it simple but meaningful. All your waste and unused material, grab all and try a amazing crafting session with friends and your family and your kids. Once your decoration are in place, take a small piece of jute rope and make a loop at the back of your wreath so you can hang it easily on a wall, door or window. Now step back and admire your creation. Does not it look like something straight from a rustic Christmas fair? Each small detail, the knot, the texture, the handmade touch, add personally to your home decoration ideas. Crafting with jute is not feel about decoration, it's about mindfulness. When you create something by hand, you are not just making an object, you are expressing calmness, care and creativity. Doing this activity with kids, families can help everyone slow down and enjoy the holiday spirit together. It strengthens bonds, teach patience and give a sense of accomplishment. And since jute is a natural and material, you also helping the environment one wreath at a time. So my dear and lovely subscriber, followers, friends, if you like this video, so please must share this video with your friends and family and support my channel.